Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the hamster in Fortnite, but not as a back bling, but maybe as a character in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this hamster, and it's gonna be a little bit different from the back bling, but the face and stuff is gonna be the same. So we're gonna start out with his eyes, and we're just gonna draw in, this is gonna be the bottom of his eyelid. So just drawing two slants like this first, and then from there, we're just gonna draw in a dome shape. Okay, corner to corner. And then once you have that, let's add in a little bit of the upper lid. So I'm just gonna draw a little curve. And then from there, we can draw in his eyeball. So it's gonna be nice and big. So just gonna be, see, it's gonna be curving like this, and you'll probably see part of it. So you won't be able to see the whole circle. So just curve, and then just imagine it going around. Okay, and then let's see, I'm gonna add in two little circles, and those are gonna be my highlights. And then just let me shade this in real quick. The highlights really help to give the eyeball some life. If it's completely dark, it's a little bit creepy. And after the eyes, we're gonna draw in the eyebrow, so it's just gonna be up here. Just gonna add in two little curves like this. And now let's move down to his nose. So his nose is really simple. Just come in toward the middle and just draw a little triangle. Okay, I'm gonna come down from the middle and just kind of go across. And then to finish up to his snout area here on the side, just kind of curve it. Come on down, just curve and go down, connect everything. Okay, and then from here, I draw in his mouth. It's gonna be opened, just kind of slant it toward the middle. And then let's draw in his teeth. You can draw in something like that and just kind of go up. It's basically two little rectangles. And then on the bottom, it's just gonna be one smaller one. And let me shade this in as well so we can actually see it. Because it's kind of hard to see the mouth without the shading. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Alright, so now we can draw in the rest of the face. So let's start on the top here. Just gonna draw in a curve like this first. It's a little bit flatter, and then from here we're just gonna curve down all the way around to the bottom of his lip here. So we go around and start curving, and then we'll just stop there. And then once we have that, just kind of try to imagine this curve all the way coming down here. And I'm just gonna draw one little curve here. Alright, and that separates the head, and let's finish up the top. We almost forgot about his ear, which is really simple. Just come up here. Let's draw two little angles like this, little loop. And then for his hair, we can start on the side here. Just go up, come down, and then just two little bumps. Alright, so that's pretty much head, and let's move on down. So I'm gonna draw in this arm first, and this one's gonna be holding a gun. So we're gonna start here, just curve, and then right here, little curve. So this is his arm, and for his hand, it's just gonna be really, there's no details. So I'm just gonna curve it and just close it off. Okay, and then now for the other one. So this one is straight, so we're gonna come down, and then start here, and just close that off. So it's gonna be a little bit strange. It doesn't really have the fingers to hold the guns, but I'm just gonna put them in there anyways. Alright, so then from here, this is just gonna be a regular pistol. So we're gonna come down, basically a rectangle, and then just keep going past his hand, slant down, and close it. And then let's add the little hammer there on the back. Let's add a little bit for the sight. Okay, and then here, let's start on the back here actually. Yeah, just come down at a slant, Same slant as this one. Here's the handle, and then we're just gonna go back up. And then for the trigger area, I'm just gonna draw a little box in here. Not that he's really holding it, but okay, whatever works. And then for the detail on the gun, let's see, let's just draw one line in the center and then just kind of tilt it down. Alright, so let's leave it as that. We don't want to add too much detail to those small things. And then now we're gonna draw in the body. So right around here, come down. Just gonna curve. Just going down all the way down to his legs. So on the side here. Okay, and then here. Come across. And then go back up slightly. And then here's its foot. So just come down and just draw in a little angle. So not much detail here. So it's really small. And then to close it off, just go from the leg here. Just one curve side to side. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna add in the little two-tone here. Just this part's gonna be white. So we're going back up here. Just curve down here first. And then we're gonna keep coming down and just basically follow the outside curve. Just kind of curve it all the way down. So this is gonna go behind the arm, continue down and just curve it and close it off. And that is it for this. I guess I can call it the Gangsta-Hamsta in Fortnite. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.